Nasaan ang pagtaas ng sahod ng mga manggagawa? Sa pagtakda ng mga prioridad ng administrasyon, mukhang napag-iwanan na naman ang mga manggagawa. The Legislative Executive Development Advisory Council or LEDAC is tasked with synchronizing the legislative agenda with our national development goals. Sa madaling sabi po, Mr. Speaker, makikita sa LEDAC ang pangunahing batas na nais maipatupad ng administrasyon. Section 1 of RA 7640 dictates that the body shall act in accordance with its constitutional mandate to promote a more equitable distribution of opportunities, income, and wealth. Our President himself has made pronouncements to this effect. At the Philippine Development Forum 2025, PBBM said,
"We committed to generate jobs, accelerate poverty reduction, and transform our economy into one that is inclusive, resilient, and ready for the future."
Sa konteksto ng pagkilala ng mga pangakong nakasaad sa batas at sa mga salitang binitawan mismo ng ating Pangulo, lumalakas po ang ating loob na maningil. Sa priority agenda, nasaan ang pagtaas ng sahod ng mga manggagawa? Nasaan ang mga batas na nakabalangkas sa pagkilala sa mga hinaing ng mga trabahante? We assert that worker-centric bills and a legislated wage increase should not be a mere afterthought of LEDAC. As workers are a vital element to national development, so too should legislation that addresses their needs be a priority of government. This is not just an economic imperative, but a moral one too. From 2001 to 2024, our GDP, ang pangkalahatang kita po ng ating bansa, has more than tripled, implying massive economic growth. Let us be clear, this is in large part due to the sustained and steadily increasing efforts of our workers as exemplified in the near doubling of labor productivity during that period. Ang ating ekonomiya ay lumalago habang tumataas ang produktibidad ng ating mga manggagawa. Following the promise of inclusive growth, shouldn't workers also enjoy the benefits of this growth? Sa tabi ng kakarampot na pagtaas ng sahod, hindi dumadali ang buhay ng mga manggagawa at ordinaryong Pilipino. Indeed, the increase of salaries are a mere illusion when we consider the increase in price of goods and services. Yumayaman ang mga negosyante habang napag-iiwanan ang mga manggagawa. Is this the inclusive growth that our laws and our President promise? The promise of progress, ang pangako ng pag-asenso, must not be reserved for the few. True progress means that the hands that build our nation also share in its fruits. We cannot speak of development while our workers go hungry. We cannot speak of productivity without recognizing those at its core. Our call to the administration is simple, Mr. Speaker. Let us go back to the drawing board and think of our workers. Ipaglaban po natin ang dignidad ng ating mga manggagawa. Revise the LEDAC to include a legislated and a national wage increase and other pro-worker measures. Only through this can we fulfill the promises of the law and uphold our end of the bargain between worker and government.
Tara na, kamanggagawa!